Hey guys, what's up? It's Kylie. I'm literally so excited to do this video. I literally cannot even contain my excitement. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a decorating my room for Christmas video, or like decorate with me type video for Christmas. And I know you're like, you need to chill. It's literally not even past Thanksgiving. So we're gonna go to Target and get some new things. And I always like to go to Target or like Hobby Lobby or somewhere. Okay, now we're back from Target and I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys and then we can start decorating. Okay, hey guys, so I just got back from Target. I'm sorry for my appearance. I'm fully aware that I look like, I don't know. But I also want to share this scrunchie that I had that's super cute. I featured it in a haul like months ago. But I'm going to show you guys what I got from Target. Okay, so first thing I got is not really Christmas related, but this is actually on my Christmas wish list. But the one I wanted was from Urban and it was $50 and it was actually pretty ugly compared to this one. This one's so cute. It was also only $15, so this one is like this way cuter looking one, and so now I don't have to ask for it for Christmas anymore. I'm gonna write some cute like holiday thing on it. I'll have to go on Pinterest and see. Ooh, maybe we'll do Merry Christmas, You Filthy Animal, because Home Alone is probably my favorite Christmas movie of all time. I saw The Grinch last night and I like The Grinch too, so I don't know, but we'll see. And then the other thing that I got that isn't really like Christmas related is this pillow. I've been trying to find a pillow for a long time because I have this like very weird bed color. My bedspread's like orange, so it's hard to find stuff that matches with it. So I got this. It's like, it's pretty and I can keep this on all times of the year. So I got this. Sorry if the angle changed. My camera ran out of storage again, so I didn't buy anything that was over $5 in like the Christmas section, so that's a pretty good deal. I'm also going to show you guys, I bought this. This is like the only non-Christmas related thing that I got. It's this mascara. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic Original Mascara. I was going to get the carbon black one, but I was like, you know what, this one's fine. Literally anyone that I've ever feel like has good lashes always uses this. So hopefully this will make my lashes look good. But I bought two things of these ornaments. They're both $3. This one is like some pine cones and this one is just ton of random ones. There's like pink and silver ones in there, and this can go with like anything. And I don't usually put ornaments on my trees, but you know what, this year I'm gonna do it. And then I got this. I don't know, I just felt like the blue was a little fun pop of color because I don't have like any colored trees. I have a gold one that I put up like every year. I already have some Christmas stuff like that I'm gonna use from like the past years, but this was only $3. I think it's a really good deal. But I found this one on the ground because I saw so many people with this tree in their cart and I was like, where is it? I couldn't find it anywhere. But then I found one just sitting on the ground like in the aisle and I was like, okay, I'm just taking this. This one was in the dollar section. It's actually $5, but I think it's so cute. I'm probably gonna put it on my nightstand. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But this one has like glitter. I'm obsessed with like glitter, Christmassy glitter things. Me and my mom are both obsessed with like glitter ornaments, glitter trees, like anything glitter and Christmas together is like amazing. So this is like the glittery one. I was gonna get them with pine cones, but I don't know, this one looks a little bit more real. The pine cones just look super fake, so I just got this one. I'm probably not gonna put any ornaments on this one though because I just feel like it looks better by itself. If you guys are just wanting some very minimal Christmas decorations, they have these little mini trees in so many different colors. So I got this pink one for some color and then this white one. These were $1, so you know, I've seen multiple people buy this already, so I had to get it. It says Holly Jolly Christmas. It has sparkles all over it, but it's so cute. I cannot wait to put these things up. So now let's get on to decorating for Christmas. So let's go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
Okay, so I decided to write Merry Christmas, You Filthy Animal on it from one of my favorite movies of all time, Home Alone. I'm gonna go to my friend's house now, so it's gonna be dark when I get back. So yeah, see you guys after that.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Like the new Christmas intro too. Let me know if you guys liked it down below. Also, I want to say I don't have any makeup on right now, so don't roast me in the comments. I just didn't feel like putting on makeup today. It's my first day of Thanksgiving break, and I just didn't feel like getting ready today. I mean, I got up at like 7:15, which is pretty early, and I took a shower. So okay, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and make sure to comment some Christmas videos you guys want to see. I will be doing Christmas wish list video and like ideas for a wish list. So I will be doing those videos, and make sure to comment if you guys love Christmas too. Please comment below so I don't like sound crazy. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe down below, and also follow me on DOTE. My username is always down below. Also, make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video, and so that I show up in your subscription box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Which my next video is going to be Thanksgiving related, so don't worry if you guys love Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving related. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.